remove this screw. Next, this one remove also. And gently pull the cover, it will come out. Remove tools cover. Gently remove the cover. Gently pull this cover out. It has all the locks. Okay, this is now the blower of Isuzu MUX rear AC blower. First, pull the plastic ductings. And this is how to remove the fan blower. Just press the tab and pull. Press the tab and pull. Okay. Remove the 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Remove the cooling duct and pull the blower. So this is now the blower. I cleaned it already. Okay, next I'm gonna remove this cover of evaporator coil. There are several screws around it. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think it's around 12 or 13, plus the 2 holding bolts, this one and that one inside. So in removing these 2 bolts, you need to remove the nuts 10 mm down under. Let's go. So that's the 2 bolts. We need to remove 10 mm nuts. I've removed it already. This is the nut 10 mm. You need a socket, 10 mm socket. Okay. Okay, after removing that these two nuts down below, and then remove all the screws around here, there are also screws here, there, down, and this bottom side, remove it all around. Next thing to do, just you can just gently pull it out. See, it will separate. And this is now the evaporator coil, rare easy evaporator coil. I'd put a fine filter to protect the dust from getting into the evaporator, so that every time I would clean, I will just open this thing and clean the filter, so the evaporator will just remain clean. Because it's so difficult to clean the evaporator if it is already clogged with dust. So my idea is to put this screen filter, just to protect the evaporator, to prevent the dust from getting into the evaporator. Okay, so now I will return this cover back, just a reverse procedure. So now it's all done. I returned the blower, fixed all the screws all around. The remaining is the two nuts below. I didn't fix it yet. So what I have here, this is my DIY filter. This is just a screen. It's like a mosquito net, and I put a string in its corner, 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, and 4. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap it, put it at the back, at the intake, air intake area here. This is the blower and the intake is here inside. So I'm gonna cover that intake with this filter. Okay. So here it is, my DIY filter. I already fixed it. Just tied it here, both sides, and tie it up. Same thing here on the top. Okay, so it will minimize the dust from getting into the evaporator coil. So now I'm gonna fix it back. Just reverse procedure. Just fix the air duct. Okay, plastic air duct, supply air, and return. Yes, 10 mm nut, locking nut. this one. Okay, after that it's already fixed. Next thing, just tighten it, this thing by 10mm socket, and also this the two 10mm nuts down below. That is the last thing you should reinstall. Okay, and then the reverse procedure, return the panel cover. Just make sure that everything, these things should be fit in the certain holes here, here, and here. So everything lined up. Just gently push it in, and you're done. Oh, I forgot. You should return first this also. This motor connector. Okay, speed sensor. Okay, it's done.